Okay naman. I think mostly procedural naman. But syempre may mga concerns, questions, no? But nothing alarming naman po. Mostly as is, konting increase here and there. Well, the next 2 weeks po will be conducting our hearings. So siguro by early December, mapapasa na po itong budget natin for 2026. It looks like same priorities, no? Agriculture, health, infrastructure, social services, kagaya po ng education, no? Yung mga livelihood components po natin. So, I think the priorities have not changed. Siguro yung fine-tuning lang, no, where we can saan po tayo makatipid na konti at saan magandang mag-invest or gumastos ng higher amounts. No? I think it was about 2.8, if I'm not mistaken. Almost 2.9 billion. So, nag-increase po.